Okay, students, so today we'll start exercise 3A. First question that is given using the prime factorization method. Following numbers are not perfect square. Okay, which of the numbers are not perfect square? With the help of, we have to find out which one prime factorization method. And I know already this method, prime factorization method, we are already studying from class 6th. Yes or no? So see here, each and every question, very important. Let's see. So first question, that is 400. We'll check 400 is a perfect square or not. So I'm writing here the prime factorization method 400. And if you remember, as I told you before also, you have to remember 1 to 20 square. Tell me students, how many students you have to remember 1 to 20 squares? Just raise your hand. Actually 400 is obviously 20 square, all of you know, but I will show you. If suppose in front of you a lot of big numbers come, 1000, like 10,565, and if you want to find out the perfect square or not, तो उसको कैसे find करोगे? With the help of prime factorization method. See here, first of all we'll take 2, because in this number at last 0 have. So we'll divide only 400 divided by 2, that is simple 200, all of you know. And again it is divisible by 2, correct? Now we can say 2 1 ja 2 and 00 as it is. Yeah, otherwise we can say 200 divided by 2, that is simple 100. Again we will divide it by 2. So this is how many? 50. Again take 2. This is 25. Now 25 is not divisible by 2. Obviously it is not divisible by 3 also. 4 से भी देखो, 4 से हमें चेक नहीं करना है because 4 is not a prime factors. We will take only prime factors. Okay, next 5 will take. 5 5 जा 25 and here 5 1 जा 5. Done. ठीक है, अब देखो क्या करना है. 400 is equals to, we will write down these all the prime factors as a multiplication. How? Like this, 2 into 2 into how many times? 4 times. 2 into 2 and 5 into 5. Then next step, what have to do? Make pairs. Okay, group, like we will make group. Yes, and two pairs. Suppose in one pair 2 number will be there. Okay, so how? Let's see. First pair, second pair, and this is third pair. Suppose कोई भी number आपका pair में नहीं बना, in that case we can say this is not a perfect square. And suppose it is making a perfect pairs, then this is 100% a perfect square number. अब इसको कैसे लिखना है? We can write down like this. 400 is equals to, from this first pair I will take 1 2. From this second pair I will take another 2, and from this third pair will take 1 5, and write down, give bracket and whole square. Okay, now 400 is equals to, चलो इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2 2 जा 4, 4 5 जा 20. So we can say 400 is the perfect square of 20. That is your complete answer. Okay, all of you understood? Where is the question? Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Next question, that is 768. Second part, that is 768. So this question also I will solve here. Let's see. 768, we will find out what are the prime factorization of 768. So it is divisible by 2, yes or no? So how will divide? Directly 2 3 ja 6. Now 1 carry, है ना? 1 and 6 16. 2 8 ja 16, and this is 2 4 ja 8. Done. Again we'll take 2. So we can say 2 1 ja 2, 1 remaining 18, that is 2 9 ja 18, and 2 2 ja 4. Okay, next we can say this is again 2. Just student listen carefully. ये जो मैं क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ ना, सारे का प्रोसेस सेम है. If you understand only one question, suppose आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिस हो गया, no issue, just observe here only, है ना? इस प्रोसेस में देखना. Dhananjay, see here. Now these two we will divide again 192 like this. 2 9 ja 18, 1 carry 12. So we can say 2 6 ja 12. Again this is 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8, 1 carry 16. 2 8 ja 16. Next again 2. This is we can say 24. Next again 2, 12. Again 6. Again 3, and last 3. Okay. Now this all the prime factors you have to write down like this. 768 is equals to 1 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write down like this. 1, 2, 8 times write down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and multiply by 3. Now make pairs like this.
Sir, please repeat, sir, please.
I just check it here, and afterwards this 3 is not making a pair. That's why we can say this 768 is not a perfect square number. Okay,
Sir,
so write down.
sir, your voice is break.
Okay, so now all of you see here 3 is left. 3 is the number that is not making a pair. Okay, 3 is left. That's why we can say 768 is not a perfect square number. Not a perfect square number. Done. Okay, so like this we have to solve this each and every question. Next question you have to solve yourself. Okay, so see here. Next question. 1296. Now tell me students, 1296 is a perfect square or not? 1296 is a perfect square or not? Find out first. So let's see how many student answer is correct. This is 1296. Okay, 1296. So we'll check by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 ja 8, 1 carry 16, 2 8 ja 16, and this is 2 again, 2 3 ja 6, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, and this is again divisible by 2. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry 12, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 2 ja 4. Again this is 2. Yes or no? This is divisible by 2. We can say 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, and this is 3 divisible by 3. So we can say 3 2 ja 6 and 2 carry 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Done. This is very simple thing, I think all of you know very fast. Now after that 1296 is equals to, we can write down 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 4 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into
3
3.
into 3 into 3.
Now we will make pairs. We will make pairs. Then it is a perfect pair. It is making a perfect pair. So we can say 1296 is equals to, from 1 2 we'll take 1 2, from 2 2 again we'll take 1 2, like this 1 3 and again 1 3, and write down square. Now multiply this all the numbers. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So we can say 1296 is the perfect square of 36. Then very simple question, yes or no? Okay. Write down, it is a
No.
perfect square. Done. Okay. So remaining questions you have to solve yourself. Okay. Now we'll move question number 2. Now question number 2 also very important question. Actually easy question obviously, but थोड़ा बहुत आपको first question को आपको अच्छे से देखना है. Now we'll move question number. Okay. Now in question number 2, that is given, find the smallest number. All of you check your book. Find the smallest number by each of the following given numbers must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. Let's try to understand the question first of all. I will write down 512. Actually this 512 is not a perfect square obviously. Question में आपको ये बोल रहा है which is the smallest number that you have to multiply with 512, then the product will come, whatever your product will come, that is a perfect square. Okay, now how we will find out the answer? Let's see. First of all, I have to find out the prime factorization of 512. This is your first step. So we can say take 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 1 carry 11, 2 5 ja 10, 1 carry 12, 2 6 ja 12. done. Again divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 carry 16, 2 8 ja 16, done. Again it is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. Again it is divisible by 2, that is 32. Again 2 16, again 2 8, like this way going on continuously. Okay, now all of you write down like this. 512 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Write down 2 into like this way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now all of you make pairs. Make pairs like this. इसका pair बन गया ना. This one and this one making pair. But this is the number 1 2. Only 1 2 is left. Okay. So जो आपका pair नहीं बन रहा है, that number you have to multiply both sides, like left hand side also and right hand side also. Suppose अगर आप यहाँ पे 2 का multiply कर दिए, then this is making a pair. Yes or no? But आपको इस तरफ नहीं multiply करना है. You have to multiply both sides. So in next step I will just multiply this number like this way. 512, okay, multiply by 2. Understood? Is equals to. Here this is the first pair already we are written. Multiply, this is the second pair. 2 into 2. Now this is the third pair. Okay. Fourth pair also. Now at last 2 is left. तो हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे 2 को multiply कर दिया. Extra 2. So that multiply and made another pair. Okay. Now your answer will be in this case. आपको आगे solve करना है, बिल्कुल करना है, but answer क्या होगा? 2 is the smallest number. If you multiply with 512, then this will make 1024, and 1024 is the perfect square of which number? Let's see. 2 from this 2, 1 2 from this to another 2, from this to another 2, and last 2 whole square. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32 square. Done. So our answer will be only 2. आपको आंसर क्या लिखना है? 2 is the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number. Okay, that is the complete answer. Understood? Very, very simple question. First of all, I have to find out the prime factorization. Okay, after that, whenever you have to make this like pairs, sorry, in that case, whichever number is left, that number only you have to multiply. ये आपको करना है. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay, I'm waiting for that. Those students you have to writing now. Your choice. अगर आपको लिखना चाहो तो लिख सकते हो. Otherwise, we'll move next question. Now next question, that is 700. Okay, I'm writing here. This is your 700. Next question. Yes, all of you find out and tell me what is the correct answer. 700. That is your next question. Okay, tell me 700 fast. Okay, I'm changing my screen. Second. Now see all of you, 700. First of all, what I have to do, see here all of you, same question, just same question. Obviously 700 is not perfect square number. 700 is not a perfect square number. So first of all, I have to find out the prime factorization. Divisible by 2. So obviously all of you know 700 divided by 2, simple how many? 350. So write down directly 350. And again divided by 2 because at last 0 is here. Now write down this is 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry 15, 2 7 ja 14, 1 carry 10, 2 5 ja 10, done. Okay. Now this number is divisible by which number? Anyone know? This is divisible by 3. No, this is not divisible by 3. This is 5 obviously because at last 5 is there. Yes, 5. Now 5 3 ja 15, 2 carry 25, 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 7. At last divisible by 7. Now all of you see here. 700 is equals to, we can write down 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 7. Correct? Now we'll make pairs. Now tell me students, which number we have to multiply here in this question? Tell me fast. Which number we have to multiply? Then this will make a perfect pairs also and perfect square also. Yes, very good. 7. Because हमें ये दिख रहा है simple. 7 आपका कोई पेयर बन ही नहीं रहा है. That's why we can say 7 is the number if you multiply here, but we will not multiply here. So we can say in next line 7 we will multiply here also and right hand side also. Okay. Then this will make a perfect square. So 7 7 ja 49 0 0. And from this first pair 1 2, second pair 1 5, third one, and write down square. Sorry, 4 9 0 0 is the perfect square of 2 5 ja 10, 10 7 ja 70 square. So the answer will be 7. Answer main आपका 7 ही लिखना है. Write down here 7 is the smallest number. 7 is the smallest number. यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना है आप लोगों को, लिखना तो नीचे है. Okay, actually my space is not there, that's why written here. So write down all of you. 7 is the perfect square number. Done. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. I think all of you now understood very well. Yes or no? This question, no doubt is there. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now actually we'll move now question number 3. Our question number 2 में जो भी आपका remaining parts है, that all the remaining parts you have to solve yourself now. Okay. Now question number 3. Just same process, but instead of multiplication we have to do what? Divide. Okay. So all of you just read the question one time. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which each of the given numbers should be divided, that result will come, whatever your result will come, that is a perfect square. Okay. So first question, let's see. Question number 3, first part, 180. 180 is the number. इससे क्या divide करोगे जिसमें आपका एक perfect square number है. Let's see. First of all, similar way we will do the prime factorization. 180. What is the prime factorization of 180? हाँ, obviously 5, but आपको directly ये small number है इसलिए आपने कर लिया direct 5. But whenever in front of you a lot of big numbers is there, then आपको सबसे पहले prime factorization find करना है ना. So first of all we will divide it by 2, that is 90. Again divided by 2, that is 45. Now this is divisible by which number? 3. 5 also, but 3 also we can take simple. So write down 3, sorry. This is 15. This is divisible by 3, 5. And at last 5 will come. Then now all of you write down like this. 180 is equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Okay. Now make pairs. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. Now only 5 is the number that is remaining. तो जो भी आपका number नहीं बन रहा pair, in case of divide, that you have to take this side. So we will write down like this, 180 divided by 5. Okay, 180 divided by 5 is equals to, from this 2 number I will take one number, 1 2, and from this 2 3 I will take 1 3 and write down whole square. Okay. Now 180 divided by 5 is equals to 36. And we know 36 is the perfect square of 6. So done, answer completed. But here what is the smallest number? 5 is the smallest number. Write down here, 5 is the smallest number. 5 is the smallest number. That should be divided by 180 and this will make a perfect square. Whatever your result will come, whatever your output will come, that's a perfect square. Okay? I think all of you understood now. Very easy question. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Last question for today. Question number 3. Which part I will do? Fourth part. Okay, see here, fourth part. Second and third homework, 19200. 19200. Okay? Sorry. So 192. Just wait. Okay. So 19200. First of all, 19200, write down here. This is divisible by 2, obviously. Correct? Now 19200 divided by 2, that is, we can say 2 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18, 1 carry 12, 2 6 ja 12, and this 00 as it is. Okay? Now again divisible by 2, that is, we can say 2 4 ja 8, and 1 carry 16, 2 8 ja, this is 0 0. Next, this is 2400, simple, very simple division. 48 divided by 2, that is 24. And again divisible by 2, 24 divided by 2, how many? 12, write down 12, 0 0. Again 2, 12 divided by 2, 6, write down 0 0. 6 divided by 2, 3, write down 0 0. Again 300, now take 300. You can't take 2, 3. अब 3 को 2 से divide करो तो point में आ जाएगा. So 300 divided by 2, 150. Write down here. 150 divided by 2, 75. Write down here. 3. Now we'll take 3. So 75 divided by 3. Anyone know what is the correct answer? Anyone know? That is 25. And at last 5 5. So this is 1. Okay? Now see. 19200 is equals to how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, write down 2 into 2 into 2. 8 times, write down 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And 3 only 1 times, 5 only 2 times. So write down. Okay, done. अब देखना, this is making a pair, this is also making a pair, this is also making a pair, this is also, and this is also. Only 3 is the number that is not a perfect pairs. Okay, only 3 is the number that is not make a perfect pair. So we can do इस 3 को आप divide में ले आओ. So 19200 divided by 3 is equals to from 2 to 1 2. Again second pair से 1 pair, from third pair 1 2, fourth pair 1 2 and 5, and give whole square. So 19200 divided by 3, that is 6400, and we know 6400 is the perfect square of 80. मतलब यहाँ पे हमें 80 आना चाहिए. अगर 80 नहीं आए, that means your answer will be wrong somewhere. So let's see. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 5 ja 80 came. That means your answer is 100% correct. And so write down here, answer will be 3. 3 is the smallest number that you have to divide, and this will make a perfect square. Okay, so write down 3 is the smallest number. Smallest number. Done. That is your correct answer. Okay, now students, tell me today whatever questions we are like discuss, each and every questions are very easy or no? Not? Very easy, na? Very good.